Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best balloon garland accessories is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions to any celebration, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary visual feasts with vibrant colors and playful designs. And while they might seem simple, choosing the right set can elevate your event from good to absolutely unforgettable, making it a crucial element for anyone looking to create a truly memorable party atmosphere. Number 5. PartyWoo Gold Balloon Arch Kit G101. Introducing our stunning gold balloon arch kit, perfect for any celebration. This set includes balloons in various sizes to create a beautiful, full look. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer. They are ideal for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last throughout your event. Easily inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness. These balloons add a touch of joy and elegance to birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and more. With standard balloon necks, inflation is quick and simple. Just control the amount of air to achieve your desired size and watch your decorations come to life. Make your special occasions truly memorable. From graduations to anniversaries, these balloons are the perfect addition to elevate your party decor. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, or sharp objects. Inflate them to your preferred size for a perfect display. Note that the smallest balloons may not float with helium. What we like. This pack offers a wide range of balloon sizes, perfect for creating dynamic and full balloon garlands. If you're looking to achieve a professional, layered look for any event, from birthdays to graduations, this is an excellent choice. Its durable material ensures your decorations last throughout the celebration. What people say. The balloons were thick and very stretchy and flexible, making them super easy to tie. These blow up evenly where some other brands have balloons are formed oddly and don't inflate to a uniform shape. PartyWoo balloons were very consistent in shape and texture. The balloons are durable, easy to inflate, and the bright colors look elegant. Number 4. KICNIC Balloon Arch Strip Kit. Introducing the KICNIC Balloon Arch Strip Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning balloon decorations. This comprehensive kit makes creating beautiful balloon arrangements effortless. Our balloon garland strips are made from durable plastic, featuring 220 holes per roll to securely hold your inflated balloons. They are transparent, flexible, sturdy, and designed for repeated use. Included are 300 double-sided adhesive glue dots. These removable dots stick balloons firmly to other balloons, walls, or ceilings without leaving any residue. Assembly is a breeze with our innovative 2-hole design. Simply insert balloon knots into the holes for a secure hold, and use the glue dots to fill any gaps for a seamless look. This kit is perfect for all your celebrations, from parties and weddings to birthdays, baby showers, and graduations. Spark your creativity and organize an unforgettable event. Ideal for romantic wedding arches, fun kids' parties, or memorable graduation backdrops, this kit sparks creativity. Let your imagination soar and create stunning decorations for any occasion. What we like. This kit provides an extensive balloon tape and adhesive dots, making garland creation straightforward and secure. If you're a beginner or want a quick, hassle-free way to build impressive balloon arches, this is ideal. Its reusability also makes it a cost-effective option for frequent party planners. What people say. High-quality pieces and very sticky. Adhesive was extremely good. The balloons stuck together perfectly for a span of 8+ hours in Florida humidity and some wind. Easy to use, and you could cut the strips to whatever size you desire. The strips come in very long so you can cut it to the size that you desire. Good quality product. Appearance is clear. Number 3. Adhesive Stick Dots 2-Sided Mounting Putty. Experience instant hold with our highly viscous and absorbent adhesive dots. They provide a quick and easy bonding solution, keeping your items securely in place. Our adhesive is made from high-quality acrylic material, ensuring it's flexible and transparent. It removes easily without leaving any stains or sticky residue behind. These sticky dots offer a more transparent and cleaner alternative to traditional liquid tape. They are sticky, removable, and have no chemical odor, making your projects faster and safer. Enjoy a mess-free application with our Instant Stick Adhesive. Simply peel and stick, no tools or drying time are needed, making it ideal for crafts and decorations. These mounting dots are perfect for a wide range of surfaces including paper, plastic, wood, glass, and more. Use them for posters, parties, holidays, or any DIY craft project at home, office, or school. What we like. These adhesive dots offer a powerful yet clean way to attach balloons and decorations. If you need a reliable hold without damaging surfaces or leaving sticky residue, these are perfect. They are especially useful for temporary decorations or when you need to reposition items easily. What people say. These adhesive stick dots provide a strong and reliable hold that keeps decorations firmly in place. Whether I'm hanging crafts, balloons, or festival decorations, they stick securely to a variety of surfaces, including walls, wood, and glass. Using these stick dots is incredibly straightforward. Just peel and stick, it's that simple. When it's time to take down the decorations, the putty comes off cleanly without leaving any residue or damage on the surfaces. For crafts, sticking balloons together, or fixing light items onto plastic and glass, they work like a charm. They are transparent, the size is convenient, and you get a lot in the pack. 300 pieces go a long way. Number 2. Sakolla 10 Sets Balloon Stick Stand. Introducing the Sakolla Balloon Stand, the perfect accessory to make your celebrations shine. This set provides an elegant way to display your balloons, adding a festive touch to any event. Crafted from high-quality transparent plastic and acrylic, it's built to last. You can rely on it for countless celebrations to come. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, baby shower, or anniversary, this stand is your go-to decoration. It's designed to impress at any festive gathering. Setting up is a breeze. With the included balloon glue and clear instructions, you can assemble it in just 3 minutes. No complicated steps, just instant decoration. Keep your balloons perfectly positioned with this stable tabletop stand. It's designed to hold your balloons securely, ensuring they always look their best. Save money and reduce waste. This stand is designed for multiple uses, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice for all your future parties. What we like. This product offers a stable stand for creating eye-catching balloon centerpieces on tables. If you want to add a festive touch to your events tables without balloons floating away, this is a great solution. Its easy assembly makes it perfect for quick event styling. What people say. The sticks lock into the bases if you push them in until they click in place. The only thing that works perfectly to hold them upright in place, both inside and even outside in a wind, is to put that double-sided sticky thin foam on the little button underneath the base. These were absolutely perfect, so easy to work with and set my party off just right. Number 1. Bezente Balloon Shine Spray, 15 ounces. Transform dull balloons into vibrant, lustrous decorations with just a spray. Achieve a stunning shine that catches every eye. One 15-ounce bottle can beautifully coat up to 100 balloons. It's the perfect solution for large celebrations like weddings, birthdays, and holidays, ensuring a memorable display. Our waterproof formula ensures a brilliant glow that lasts up to 168 hours, indoors or out. Your decorations will stay dazzling, no matter the conditions. Achieve a shine-filled effect in just 2 seconds per balloon. It applies evenly without any mess, making setup a breeze for any party. Enjoy a fresh, welcoming atmosphere with our fragrance-free spray. It's safe for everyone, including children, pets, and plants. What we like. This spray provides an instant, brilliant shine to your balloons, making them stand out. If you want your balloon decorations to look professionally finished and maintain their luster for an extended period, even outdoors, this is the product for you. Its odorless and waterproof formula ensures a beautiful and lasting display. What people say. The balloons were easy to inflate and assemble, creating a beautiful and full garland. The kit included a variety of balloon sizes and colors, which made it easy to create a professional-looking display. The adhesive dots were strong and held the balloons securely in place throughout the event. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.